What's up mga kabisdak? So, dito kami sa entrance ng trail, no? Sa bulky horse, bulky road something, no? Ang something maiba tayo guys today, no? Something bago sa akin. Kasama ko ng Rivian. Yan, naka-Rivian. Electric car siya, electric. Oh, tapos mga Range Rover ang kasama namin today. Ayan. Ayan. So, hindi siya masyadong technical siguro. Because considering na hindi masyadong lifted at I don't think papasukin din namin yung mga usual, yung mga pinapasok namin ng mga top pato. Pero guys, look at that. Yan. Hinihintay pa namin yung ibang kasama. So, yeah, should be a good experience. Samahan nyo kami guys. Mark Bisdak. Hey,
that's my friend Mark.
Mark.
Yeah, and Heidi. Yeah. Wow.
Limit pa namin, mayroon pa dalawa. Maganda to guys, hindi ito masyadong technical. I hope so. Kinakabahan ako kasi first time ko makasama ang grupo. But yeah, hopefully. Rivian and another Rivian. And to be honest guys, na-impress ako. Baka mapapabili ako nito ng Rivian. Kasi kasama namin yung parang president ng Rivian Club and he's got a hookup. Tingnan nyo guys, truck, pickup truck ng Rivian. Oh my god, ang ganda. Right. Guys, kasi yung hookup ng Rivian, very nice truck and a nice SUV right there. Maganda akong drone feature. Alright, ready na kami guys. Ready experience to. Ready ka na?
Yeah, ready na ako, bye.
Yeah, let's go, that's Bernel.
Let's go.
Alright.
Yeah. Action.
If we get separated, at least we can get a ping back. I like location sharing. Exactly.
Basta, dito kami. Hindi ko nalimutan ko anong name. Anyway, yes, meron kaming drone shot today guys. Courtesy of Vic. So, medyo kwento. Maiba yung aking feature today. Ayan. So, ayan.
It's feeling gritty.
Yeah, it's great.
Yeah, it's getting tricky. It's getting a bit tricky here. Oh. We going through the city. Yeah. She wanna turn up with me. Yeah. She just wanna be.
Tabok Pre. What's up, kabisdak? They're just trying to spot on the Forerunner. Tapos medyo hirap siya. Yeah, like, yeah, because the Forerunner is unstuck, so they gotta spot properly, just to make sure hindi matrip. Otherwise, everything's okay. Yeah. So ito yung maiden tour ni Bernal nung naka-grade JK. Ito yung first niyang mayroong mga hardcore rocks. Not really hardcore, but that's first time niya trinay yung kanyang Rubicon na hard rock edition. So yun, off the grid! Marunong ka na pumasok ng line, alam mo kung saan papasok yung bato, yung gulong, saan papatong siya. Yeah. Yeah, pero tulad ng katabi ko, masyado nervyosa. Yun o.
Sige. Okay.
Ganyan guys, oh. Hanapin mo lang yung bato, tapos mo iapak yung isa para mag-grip siya. Ayan. Tingnan nyo yung clearance, oh. Bangin na yan guys, look. Yeah, bangin na yan. Okay. So pababa siya. Yan lang. Alright mga kabisdak, so palagi kami dito sa Big Bear. Now ko lang napuntahan to guys, maganda tong place na to. Meron palang lake dito, no? Durante ko talaga kasi pinupuntahan namin palagi yung mga jeep trail lang, so hindi namin napuntahan to sana. Yeah. So nag-stop muna kami kasi na-flatan yung isang rib yan. Yeah. So yun guys, ganito lang, buti na lang kompleto sa part sa tools. Tapos dyan no, pinasok na yung jack niya, heavy duty yata yung jack niya. Bato dito na kailangan mag-flex konti. Just fun naman. Yeah. Medyo challenging din yun para sa akin kasi yung iba nagba-bypass. Kami ni Bernal, yung naka-JK. Talagang pinapasok namin. Yan. Pagay lang ng daan. Pauwi na kami, pababa na. Nagising na si Wifey. Good morning ga. Video kita nung natulog ka.
What? Tired.
Alright, let's go. Hey man, what's nice trailing with you?
Hey, it was nice, man.
Yeah.
It was a good time. We got a few challenges in.
Of course.
That was nice. I think that's actually why that one blew a tire.
Why? Because the
sidewall came down.
Oh.
It pinched itself up against the rock when it came down.
Oh, okay.
You know, when I first started, I would air down. Yeah. And
Sana din lang ako nag-air down pala.
it didn't make it.
Alright mga kabistak, so it's done for the day. Air up na, you know, it was fun. Kakaiba experience, you know. Hindi masyadong nag-action si Bisdak, pero masaya pa rin. It was good experience. Anyway, salamat. Nakarating kayo. You've reached this part, thank you. Always remember, like and subscribe. Mark Bisdak, OTG, let's go!